In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to the team and channel where you want to share your file. For example, you might be in a community area and then inside a specific channel. The key is to make sure you are in the correct channel conversation, because that is where your file will be posted and where everyone in that channel will be able to access it. Once you are in the channel, look for the message box at the bottom of the conversation. This is the area where you normally type a new message. Click inside that message area to make it active. When you click there, you should see the tools for creating a post, including options to add or upload content. This is important because files shared in a channel are stored with the channel, making it easier for others to find them later, instead of searching through separate chats. Next, choose the option that says Upload from this device. This will open the file picker on your computer. From here, browse to the file you want to share, select it, and confirm. Teams will attach the file to your new channel message. A helpful tip is to double-check the file name before you upload, especially if you have multiple versions saved. Clear file names help your teammates understand what they are downloading. After the file is attached, click Post to share it to the channel. Posting makes the file visible to everyone who has access to that channel, and it creates a conversation entry so people can reply, react, and collaborate around it. If you also want to add context, click back into the message box and type a short note to go along with the file. Keep it simple and specific, such as what the file is for or what you want others to review. This small detail can save time and reduce confusion, especially in busy channels. When your message is ready, click Post again to publish your text update to the channel. That covers everything you need to know.